Hello everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to learn all about how to use pencils. You will use pencils every day at school. You will use your pencil to write, draw, and erase. Take good care of your pencils. If you see a pencil on the floor, pick it up and put it where it belongs. I will pick it up. So nice. I will get this one. Great job. Always put your pencils away where they belong. Do not put the pencils in the trash. Save the pencils. Do not play with your pencils. I am tapping. Tap, tap, tap. Look, my pencils are on my head. I'm going to poke you. Oh, that's terrible. Do not break your pencils. No, we need to use them every day. Pencils do not belong in your mouth, nose, or ears. Ugh. Yuck! Never throw your pencils. Oh, someone could get hurt. Remember to take good care of your pencils because your pencils help you learn. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.